Have you ever wondered how much you could make from a side hustle? We've all heard the term side hustle thrown around, but what does it truly mean? In essence, a side hustle is a venture one takes on, in addition to their main job, with the aim of earning extra income. It could be anything from freelance writing to selling handmade crafts online, or even providing consulting services. The beauty of side hustles is their potential to significantly boost your income. Depending on the hustle, you could be making an extra few hundred or even tens of thousands per month. That's right. We're talking about possibly multiplying your income, all from a venture you manage on your own time. Imagine the possibilities. The vacations you could take, the debts you could pay off, the financial freedom you could achieve. Intrigued? Well, buckle up because today we're going to explore two real-life case studies of side hustles. One earning $650 and the other a whopping $30,000 per month. Our first case study is about a graphic designer who started selling digital prints online. Meet Alex, a full-time graphic designer with a passion for art. Alex had always dreamt of turning this passion into a profitable venture. With a modest initial investment, he decided to create and sell his digital prints online. The investment was mainly his time and the cost of the design software, which he already used for his day job. Alex's journey began with a few hours dedicated each week to this side hustle. He spent those hours creating unique digital art pieces, setting up an online shop, and promoting his work on social media. What's interesting about Alex's story is how he managed to make an extra $650 per month from this venture. So, how exactly did he do it? First, Alex took time to understand his target market. He researched trends and sought feedback from potential customers. By doing this, he was able to create designs that were not only unique but also catered to the tastes and preferences of his customers. Next, Alex priced his digital prints competitively. He understood the value of his work but also recognized the importance of affordability to attract a wider customer base. Finally, Alex leveraged the power of social media to reach a larger audience. He regularly posted his designs, interacted with his followers, and used relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Over time, Alex's side hustle started paying off. The extra income didn't happen overnight. It was the result of consistent effort, patience, and a lot of learning. But the important thing to note here is that Alex took the plunge. He started small, but he started. Now, Alex's side hustle brings in a steady $650 each month. This might not seem like a huge sum, but remember, every dollar counts when you're building your financial independence. As you can see, starting small doesn't mean staying small. It's all about taking that first step. Now let's extract some key takeaways from this case study. Our first lesson is about leveraging existing skills. You see, every one of us has a unique set of skills that we've acquired over time. Don't undervalue them. They can be your ticket to a successful side hustle. Second, we learn the importance of starting small. It might be tempting to aim for the stars right from the get-go, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Starting small allows you to test the waters, learn from your mistakes, and eventually scale up. Lastly, this case study has shown us the potential for growth. That $650 side hustle may not seem like much now, but with consistency and hard work, it can blossom into something much more significant. Remember, every big journey starts with a small step, so take that step today, and who knows where your side hustle might lead you tomorrow. Now let's shift gears and dive into our second case study, a side hustle that generates a staggering $30,000 per month. Imagine a side hustle that doesn't just cover your weekend getaway or your monthly car payments, but one that could potentially replace your day job. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality for a savvy entrepreneur we'll call Alex. Alex started with a passion for graphic design and a keen understanding of the online marketplace. He began his journey with an initial investment of just under $2,000, most of which went towards buying a high-quality computer and graphic design software. Alex didn't become a success overnight. He spent countless hours honing his skills, creating a portfolio, and developing a unique style that would set him apart. He then began to offer his services on various online platforms, targeting small businesses in need of branding and design services. He priced his services competitively, ensuring he provided top-notch quality to every client. Now here's where things get interesting. Alex didn't stop at just selling his services. He scaled his operation by creating a digital course teaching others how to replicate his success in graphic design. He priced the course at a premium, knowing that his proven track record and expertise justified the cost. The course became an instant hit, and the rest is history. Today, Alex's side hustle generates a whopping $30,000 per month, most of it passive income from his digital course. He has effectively turned his passion for graphic design into a lucrative business, all while maintaining the flexibility and freedom of a side hustle. This case shows us that with the right idea and execution, the sky's the limit for side hustles. It's not just about the money, though that's certainly a significant perk. It's about leveraging your skills and passions, scaling your operations, and transforming your side hustle into a full-fledged business. It's about dreaming big and having the courage to chase those dreams. You might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve.
From this extraordinary case, there's a lot to learn. The $30,000 side hustle isn't just about the impressive numbers. It's about the principles and strategies that led to such success. The key takeaways here are scalability, marketing investment, and the vast potential of online businesses. First off, let's talk about scalability. This isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. The entrepreneur behind this successful venture understood that to make more money, they needed to reach more people. They built a business model that wasn't limited by their personal time or resources. They created systems, outsourced tasks, and automated processes. The result? A side hustle that could grow and thrive without constant hands-on involvement. Next, we delve into the importance of investing in marketing. Many side hustles fail to take off because they don't get enough visibility. This entrepreneur knew the value of marketing and wasn't afraid to invest in it. They dedicated a portion of their profits back into the business, specifically into marketing efforts, to reach a wider audience and boost sales. This reinvestment fueled the business's growth and led to even greater returns. Lastly, this case underscores the immense potential of online businesses. Today, the internet provides unprecedented opportunities to reach customers worldwide. The entrepreneur capitalized on this, leveraging digital platforms to sell their product and connect with their audience. They understood that the online space was not just a marketplace, but a global stage where they could engage, interact, and build relationships with customers from all corners of the globe. So, what can we glean from this? Well, it's simple. A side hustle isn't just about making a bit of extra cash. It's about building something that can grow, something that can reach people, something that can make a real difference. And yes, it can potentially outgrow your main hustle. But remember, it's not just about the idea. It's about how you implement it. It requires strategy, dedication, and persistence. It's about dreaming big, but also about rolling up your sleeves and getting down to work. As we've seen, a side hustle can potentially outgrow your main hustle, but it requires strategy, dedication, and persistence. So whether it's an extra $650 or an impressive $30,000 per month, a side hustle can change your financial landscape. And this isn't just idle chatter. We've just spent the better part of 10 minutes exploring two distinct case studies that prove this point. Let's revisit some key takeaways. From our first case study, we learned that even a modest side hustle can make a substantial difference. That extra $650 per month isn't just pocket change. It's a car payment, a student loan installment, or even a nice holiday. It's a stepping stone to financial freedom, a way to ease the day-to-day pressures. And then we have our second case study, where we saw the dizzying heights a side hustle can reach. $30,000 per month? That's not just a side hustle anymore, that's a full-blown business. It's a testament to the power of innovative thinking, hard work, and perseverance. But here's the crucial part. Both these individuals started at point zero. They didn't have a magic formula or a secret weapon. What they had were skills, ideas, and the determination to convert them into a revenue stream. And that's something each and every one of us possesses. So let's take a moment to consider what we've discussed today. Side hustles are more than just a way to make some extra cash. They're a means to take control of your financial future, to realize your potential, to create and seize opportunities. Take a look at your own skills, your own ideas. There's a wealth of potential there. You might be an incredible baker, a skilled programmer, or a talented artist. You might have a knack for social media marketing, or a great idea for a blog. Whatever it is, there's a side hustle waiting to be born. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. So why not take control and start your side hustle journey today?